Since new technologies have been introduced in the market, I mean artificial intelligence tools, I have perceived some agitation, people concerned about the future, especially about the future of work. In fact, I suppose it's an important time and we need to start introducing some changes in our behavior. We need to come back to school. We need to restart studying, developing new skills. The changes in course require us to develop new skills so that we are able to adapt ourselves to the changes and we can discover new ways to work, new ways to survive. Artificial intelligence is good, but we need to learn the right way to deal with it. So open your eyes. It's time for change.